Cardano cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here explicitly will in every way that really matters give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Cardano, or so they especially thought. The Cardano truly has in practically no time essentially acquired fundamentally extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like essentially is Cardano an excellent venture, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is ADA worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an unobtrusive way? How high could Cardano at any point especially go in an unpretentious manner? Our aid will truly provide you with a thought of the Cardano expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to major sort of past cost outline. Cardano most certainly past value investigation, which is very critical. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Cardano certainly is 35 cents and ADA sort of is at present sort of position number 7 in the whole crypto market, which is very huge. The core supply of ADA truly is 34,707,229,920 with a market cap of $12,294,823,174 in every practical sense. Most recent 24 hours amazingly, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost has shown an essentially decent increment of 3.25% as of now, which generally is genuinely critical. From most recent 7 days, the Cardano was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.47% amazingly. ADA has shown areas of strength for extremely potential, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, or so they truly thought. Inside the by and large most recent 30 days, the cost of ADA has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible normal cost of 5 cents from its by and large current cost in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected in every practical sense. Descending development generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, and it tends to be an excellent generally purchase a valuable open door for certainly fast speculation. Or so they for the most part thought. The 90 days cost change truly is around 24.88%, and the cost coursed from a very least truly normal worth of 25 cents to most extreme pretty normal worth of 27 cents in the beyond 90 days in an unpretentious way. In sort of most recent 4 months, Cardano certainly has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period, which for the most part is very huge, as per the particularly the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, or so they thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a sort of significant manner. The coin basically is up by 8.09%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around 33 cents and the genuinely least typical cost of most certainly was around 32 cents in sort of beyond 4 months. Cardano value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We for the most part anticipate future ADA cost expectation. Cardano conjectures by applying profound fake learning specialized investigation on the verifiable value information of Cardano. We in a real sense give a valiant effort to explicitly gather kind of greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which in every way that really matters incorporates sort of different variables like past value, market cap, volume, and for the most part more in a genuinely enormous manner. Assuming you are looking to basically put resources into digital money market, most certainly try to fundamentally peruse our forecasts, which is very huge. Cardano value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of Cardano fundamentally is supposed to reach at least value level of 34 cents, which is genuinely huge. The ADA cost can essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of 38 cents with the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost of 37 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to fundamentally reach at a fundamentally least worth of 53 cents. Or so they basically thought. The ADA cost can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 62 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of 55 cents, which certainly is very huge. Cardano value gauge 2025 to 2026. The cost of Cardano for the most part is certainly anticipated to reach at a by and large least degree of 76 cents in 2025. The Cardano cost can sort of arrive at a greatest degree of 93 cents with the kind of typical cost of 79 cents all through 2025. Or so they generally thought. The cost of Cardano really is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.11 in 2026 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Cardano cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $1.32 with the typical cost of $1.15 all through 2026, which generally is genuinely critical. ADA value expectation for 2027 Cardano cost for the most part is figured to arrive at a flat-out least degree of $1.68 in 2027, or so they sort of thought. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $1.93 with the genuinely normal estimate cost of $1.72 incredibly. ADA value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of ADA. In 2028, the cost of Cardano is gauged to be at around an especially least worth of $2.47, which especially is genuinely critical. The Cardano value worth can really arrive at a limit of $2.94 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2.55 in USD amazingly. Cardano value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Cardano sort of is supposed to especially reach at a kind of least degree of $3.64 in 2029, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The ADA cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 4.24 with the really normal cost of $3.75 all through 2029, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture and sort of profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Cardano is supposed to explicitly reach at a really least value worth of $5.45, which is very critical. The ADA cost can especially arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $6.40 with the essentially normal worth of $5.60. Cardano value expectation for 2031. The cost of Cardano truly is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least worth of $7.92 in 2031 in a sort of significant manner. The Cardano cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of $9.41 with the fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $8.14 all through 2031. Cardano value expectation for 2032. Cardano cost generally is conjectured to in a real sense arrive at an in a real sense the most reduced conceivable degree of $11.74 in 2032, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a sort of greatest conceivable degree of $13.74 with the truly normal gauge cost of $12.07 in a truly significant manner. What generally is the Cardano cost today, which in every practical sense is very critical. Today the cost of Cardano is 0.35 with the market cap of $12,294,823,174.000 in a sort of significant manner. What will generally be the ADA most elevated for the most part anticipated cost for 2023? Especially the most elevated determined cost for ADA especially is supposed to arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest worth of 38 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Cardano most noteworthy anticipated